Hello everyone, we traveled to West Virginia, probably like 3 hours away from my house, and we're going to check out a Mustang which I saw on Facebook Market. I'm going to check it out and hopefully it's good. Okay guys, I'm in the Mustang. Idle's great. Taking it out for a test drive. The paint doesn't look good, but there's a check engine light which the guy says come off, so it's something minor. It rides amazing. I love how it drives. I like how it feels. Alright guys, I'm heading back. AC feels great, cold. Nice stereo. Transmission is pretty smooth. The engine is strong. I love it. You know, I'm taking this car for $1,000, maybe offer a little bit less, but it's still a great bargain. Mustang's tune-up day. I bought it 2 days ago. I think it was a Friday. I went to go check it out in West Virginia, very far away. I liked it, test drove it, really good for the price I paid for, which I'm gonna review later on today in the video. And yeah, I'm gonna go today with my friend Henry to AutoZone, get the oil, spark plugs, the filter, the fuel filters, all that good stuff. My budget today will be at least $100. That Mustang, the parts are really cheap, man. You're gonna see how cheap they are. The spark plugs, it surprised me how cheap they are. So yeah guys, one last thing before my friend comes. I wanna show you guys the few things that's wrong with the car. So yeah guys, this is the Mustang right here. Black bumper with red paint. I'm gonna have to paint that or maybe buy another one that has the same color. So yeah guys, the thing that's wrong with this car is nothing from the exterior except the bumper, but you know, that's part of the car. The car body is basically perfect, no damage at all, perfect for painting. So yeah, first thing is we enter inside the vehicle. The first problem is this plastic part is broken. So you can see, I'm pretty sure this is pretty common due to plastic parts. Also, the window doesn't go up or down, so I'm pretty sure something is broken inside. Not the motor, because it moves but it gets stuck, so something is broken inside. And going inside here, I'm gonna have to clean everything, detail it, because it smells like smoke. The previous owner smoked a lot in here, so I'll have to take care of that. Forget that, don't look at that McDonald's water cup there. Here, the only thing that's broken, I think, is the vents right here. This one is definitely broken. This one's broken inside. That's broken. Here, everything works. This is a digital mileage thing. I forgot what's it called. Odometer. Still works. Everything works here. I think even theft works. The emergency brakes works great. It still, feels fresh. It shifts correctly. Oh yeah, the cigarette lighter is broken. It doesn't work. I think I'm gonna have to replace that. Comes with a new stereo right there. Doesn't sound that good because it's a Mustang, so eventually I'll fix it. Crisp, cold AC, very cold. I love it. And yeah, that's pretty much it here. The driver's side window opens and closes, it locks, everything. Back seats, I'm pretty sure no one can use them because it's really small. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the interior. Let's walk around the car. I'm gonna have to swap these out. I don't like them. I like the traditional 3 tail lights. I don't like this one. Although it looks really nice, I might sell them or keep them, but I love the 3 sequential lights on the Mustangs. Alright guys, we're in AutoZone right here. They're just opening. We're gonna get some parts. Alright, we got the 5W20 for the Mustang. This thing is nice. It uses 5 quarts. 2002 Ford Mustang. Okay, the V6, 3.8 liter STP S3600. Okay, let's see, is SA7730. Alright. Alright, we got the oil, the engine oil. I said oil. We got the filter, the engine oil, and the cabin filter. No, that's the air filter.
Cooling temperature sensitive.
Oh really? That's it? That's the only code?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, let me get it. That's perfect. I was so nervous, I was like, please don't be nothing bad.
Then I'm more coming.